Hey, we want to show our Capstone project, which is Fullstack Town. It's an isometric Pokemon style slice of life game about Fullstack Academy. Now, if we go to the next slide, my name is Andy, this is Hector, and Amal. We are the creator of this app. Now, we're going to show the live demo of this app itself. This is Fullstack Town. It's an educational purpose, non-commercial parody of Fullstack Academy. Most of the assets were pulled from online, but we redeveloped those assets so it can fit our app. The guy in the hoodie you see is the player. He can walk around, interact with NPCs, he can shop, and many more. The user has boundaries as well. You can see that he can collide with walls and sometimes tree, which gives us a game logic that says that this game is real. Now, if we go into the house itself, we will see Professor Prof in his house hanging out, cozy. This shows that we can change scenery to scenery. Everything was created in tiled. All the maps and all the characters, which gives a logic with objects and property. Now I'm going to take it to Hector so he can talk about shop and save options.
Thank you, Andy. During our time at Fullstack Academy, we were given different assignments in order to hone our coding skills. One of those assignments was Grade Shopper, which was we were separated into groups and we were instructed to build our own e-commerce site using the technologies that we learned so far in Fullstack Academy. Here in the shop, we commemorate and show everyone's hard work in their e-commerce site. Here we see one of them, which is Pathos. Back in the game, we interact with another non-playable character or an NPC. And we load up another e-commerce site by another group. And for those that need a refresher in JavaScript, we have the Mozilla Web Docs right here. Another functionality that we implemented in our game was the save and load game functionality. Here, when you go to the Panda sprite, you could save your game. You could save your progress. And if you want to load from a previous spot, you press L and you're taken back to your previous save. And now I'm going to take you to Amal to show you the battle functionality.
Thank you, Hector. Now we are going to go and see the battle scene. It is one of the critical features of our product. Battle scene is where the student can learn different skills by playing with instructors. So instructors are going to pose questions for a particular domain area. In this case, it's DOM. Really need a button right now, but how is the question? The student has to figure out the answer from these different options. The create element is the right answer. The student gets 20 points. This is another cryptic question. And append, would it be the right one? I want to print my change into my HTML file with the inner text. And still the student is doing good. Prof is losing, looks like. Add an add listener, but I think my event clicks on everything. Stop propagation. There you go. Hey, my page keep refreshing. How do I? Oh, the student was very, very slow. Prof didn't like that. And he lost it. The student lost it. He must start at the junior phase. Till that time, he can take a very nice nap and come fresh, relaxed after the junior phase to play again with different instructors and learn more. That's the life of full stack student, right? Over to Andy for the rest of the features. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Amal. And I'm going to show you a trailer of our game. Hope you enjoy. Now I'm gonna pass it to Hector so he can give our final challenges.
So in order for us to build Fullstack Town, we use different technologies. One of the technologies was Tile. We use it to build the assets of the game, like the game sprites, the game design. Everything you see in the game, the physical design is built by Tile. We also use Faceit3, which is a JavaScript library. And what Faceit3 gives us is the ability to interact with different objects in the game and the game functionality. We also use Sequelize and Postgres in order to save and load data from our database. And we use React in order to build different components in the game, like the different stages, the battles, the houses. And during our work with Fullstack Town, we faced many challenges. I think as a group, one of the biggest challenges was Faceit3 and Tile. We don't have any game experience before. And for us to learn a new library in a matter of weeks was a very challenging but rewarding event. I hope you enjoy our game. Thank you so much. And our game is deployed on Heroku. Thank you.